Thanks to the digital era, you can make money online just like the physical world. In fact, these days there are so many popular ways with which you can easily earn money online. Especially due to the pandemic, the online and digital world has become much more significant. People were already earning online, but after the pandemic, more options came to surface for earning money online. Today in this post, we will be discussing the 10 most popular ways to earn money online. So, let's begin. Number 10. Become an online tutor. Now, even education has come online and is no longer limited to offline places. So, you can take advantage of this trend and hop into this online tutoring business. If you have an expertise in a particular subject or in multiple subjects and can teach well, then you can become an online tutor. You can design courses of a set duration and time period for different subjects and earn loads of money online. Now you can either work as an online tutor with already established online educational institutions, or you can work on your own by being your own boss. Whichever suits you the best, opt for it and make big money in no time. Number 9. Social media marketing. Social media marketing is one of the most popular and great ways to earn online. We are living in a social media world where things go viral overnight. So make use of these social media platforms to help companies in expanding and promoting their businesses. If you are a social media enthusiast, then you can surely set up your very own social media marketing company. There is a lot of demand for social media marketing these days, as companies wish to promote their products via social media platforms because of its global reach. So here's your chance to jump into this pool and make huge money. Number 8. Open an online store. Always wanted to start your own business, but shop renting rates are too high? No problem. Now you can open an online store. The best part about an online store is that you can use your home as a warehouse and as an office. You need not go out, hunt a place to start your business. Instead, you can operate online from your home. Plus, you can sell various types of products, be it jewelry, electronics, clothes, and the list is endless. In fact, these days people don't like going out for physical shopping. They prefer online shopping as it is more convenient and saves a lot of their time. For reference, you can take inspiration from Amazon, AliExpress, Alibaba, etc. Number 7. Earn through affiliate marketing. The most easiest and popular way of earning money online is through affiliate marketing. Become an affiliate marketing associate and take advantage of your social media following. Yes, you can make profit from your social media following by signing up to be an affiliate marketing associate with many e-commerce websites. You just need to register yourself with any of the e-commerce companies. They will give you a referral link which you need to add in your blog post or share it with your friends via other social media platforms. The more people buy from your link, you will get a commission from your e-commerce company. Sounds great, right? Number 6. Become a freelance writer. If you have excellent writing skills, then you can make money out of it. Nowadays, we get most of our information through online platforms, be it about anything. Therefore, freelance writing always stays in high demand since it is highly convenient and everyone owns a smartphone. So this can be your area where you can become a freelance writer and earn money online. Write for blogs, e-magazines, e-books, e-newspapers, etc. and earn great. Also, the biggest advantage is that you can work on your own terms and remotely. You need not visit any offices or workplaces. You can work from the comfort of your home and it does not matter where you belong from. You can even work with international clients and earn in foreign currencies. Number 5. Become a social media influencer. Earn from your social media handles like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, etc. by becoming a social media influencer. So many companies are in need of social media influencers to promote their products. Just like affiliate marketing, you can collaborate with various brands and make huge cash. By collaborating, you get free stuff worth a lot of money. And if you have a huge social media following, then you even get a lot of money for promoting products of various companies. You just need to have a social media account with a decent following and a target product. You can be any influencer like fashion influencer, food influencer, makeup influencer, and so on. Number 4. Become an advisor consultant. Another great way to earn money online is to become an advisor or consultant. For this, you need to have an expertise in any field. You can be a financial advisor, investment consultant, content marketing expert, stock expert, etc. If you are good at advising people and help them in making their profits, then you can be an excellent consultant. People are in constant need of good advices for their companies and for their wealth. If you can help them in strategizing how to properly use their funds or organize their promotions, then you can earn great cash per hour as your consulting fee. But make sure you give useful advices, otherwise your business can crash in no time. Number 3. Invest in stock market trading. This is a risky way in comparison to others, but worth it if you know how to do it. Investing in stock marketing involves a risk, as you will have to invest some money before enjoying the return. But as they say, no pain, no gain. So if you have the heart to take risk, then you may opt for this. Now, you need to learn how to pick the right stock, and you would be requiring a demat and trading account to start trading. The right stocks give you high returns, and in no time you will be making money out of money. But I must make you aware that you may also lose money in stock trading. So better to start with less money and invest more time in learning the basics of stock trading. Number 2. Sell your photographs online. If you know the art of photography and are a skilled photographer, then you can make money by selling your photographs. There are stock photography websites which keep a huge stock of photographs. You can upload your clicks to such websites as they have large audiences. With the help of such websites, your photographs can be sold to many magazines, online portals, etc. Also, the best part is that the photos can be resold a number of times and make money effortlessly. You can check out websites like Shutterstock, Getty Images, and Photo Shelter. Number 1. Create a YouTube channel or blog. The topmost way of earning money online is either you can create a YouTube channel or start your own blog. If you are good at writing, then you must start your own blog. And if you are good at making videos, then you can start your very own YouTube channel. Both of these ways require dedication and time. If you stay dedicated and invest time in creating quality content, then you can literally make loads of money online. As soon as your channel or blog starts growing, you start getting views. You can monetize your channel and blog with Google AdSense and earn millions. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new here, please push the notification bell to get the latest updates. And don't forget to subscribe to receive all of our latest videos. And share this with your dear ones.